Now I'm going to start with the middle centers. I'm going to create a bar of 2. So this piece, I'm going to bring it here and bring it down. So here's our bar of 2. We can ignore this piece for now. Let's find the other 2 middle centers. Okay, here's one. I'm going to bring it to this side so that I don't have to interfere with this bar. Bring this here. Bring it down. So we have a bar of 2. I'll make this parallel to this and bring this down. So now we have the 4 middle centers in a square like this. Next, I'm going to create a bar of 2 using 2 edge centers. For example, I'm going to bring this away, turn it here, so it goes from here to here, as you can see. And I'm going to bring this up. So here we have 2 edge centers. We can ignore the corner center for now. And then we need a bar of 3, which so happens we already have one. But I'll build another bar of 3 anyway, just to show you. So this piece I can bring over here. And if I bring this piece down, I form a bar of 2. But if I return this corner center, I form the bar of 3 that I want. This bar of 3 is pointing upwards, so this rectangle should point upwards as well. Then I insert. So we have a square now. We need another bar of 3, and I so happen to have the piece for that. So this square is facing the top right corner, which is where we want it to be. If the square was here, it's facing upwards, same as this bar, but it's in the way of the bar because it's in the same slice as this bar of 3. Likewise, had the square been at the bottom corner, we wouldn't have formed a perfect 3x4 rectangle. So it has to face up and be away from the slice that has my bar of 3. So there we go, a perfect rectangle. And now we need a bar of 4 to complete the white center. Here's a corner center, here's an edge center. I align this, so we have a bar of 2. This piece, when I turn it, it goes over here, which when I bring it down, creates a bar of 3. Here's a corner center, but if I push it up, it goes to the top instead of at the bottom here. So before I move it up, I need to rotate this so that it comes down here. And bring this piece up so that when it's brought up, it actually matches. So it forms a bar of 4, and I'm going to put this bar of 4 up here. Now sometimes you might have some white pieces in the white center region that are blocking this bar of 4. So you want to clear this rectangle so that the slice that has the bar of 4 is free to move without breaking any of these pieces from the white center. I'll move it up. You can do it in any random order. This helps you be faster. For example, right now I see a bar of 2 here and a bar of 2 here. I would like to make one of the outer bars first. So I start looking for pieces. I see that this piece is here, and if I rotate, comes here, bring it down, forms a bar of 3, like this. The corner center should go here, bring it up, creates a bar of 4. Now I'm going to leave this space as my white center face. I'm going to move on to other bars. So I see that the middle 2 centers are connected in a bar of 2 like this. I'm going to bring other pieces to join up with it. For example, this one, if I rotate it, it's on this layer. If I had rotated it here, it would not have matched. As you can see, this does not match. Here, put it down, it matches. Likewise, this piece, if I bring it up, does not actually match. I need some other piece to match it. Let's try this piece. Rotate it here. So we need it on this slice because when we bring it down, it has to be on this slice. Now we have the second bar of 4. I'm going to put it adjacent to this bar just to make things easier. Right, now we create the third bar. Let's create an inner bar again, because I found the pieces easier to look at. So this is a middle center. I'm just going to bring it up because it falls on the same slice like this. I'm going to bring one of these two pieces, which are literally 180 degrees away from each other, rotate, and bring one of them up. So now we have 3 pieces in this bar. We need a 4th piece to fit in right here. So this piece, we can rotate it to come here. I'm going to bring this up with a white slice move. So now we have a bar of 4. Move it into the white center area. Now we have the last bar to create. So here we have 2 corner centers aligned. I'm going to make that horizontal like this. So now it's at the top slice here. I'm going to bring this piece down. So I need this piece to be in the top slice as well. And as you might have noticed, there was a white piece here, but I pushed it away. Now I'm going to bring this white piece 180 degrees around and back up. And now I'm going to move it into the white center region, except this is blocking. I need to make sure this slice has no white pieces at all. So here I go. No white pieces. This slice is free to move.